Dear students, welcome to you all in mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss about parallel straight lines, which is a topic discussed in chapter 8 of your textbook. I am Shudipan Bhattacharya. I am with you to discuss about this today. Today's topics are geometrical argument method and symbols that are used in geometry. These topics are not directly connected to parallel straight lines. Actually, these are connected to all the topics we will be discussing in future classes of geometry. So, we are starting with geometrical argument method. In future classes, you will be hearing a word which is called proposition. So, we are going to learn what proposition means. The subject discussed in geometry is generally called proposition. Propositions are actually some sentences or some statements which are made to discussed about geometry, like the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is a proposition, and also this is a theorem. Construction. Constructions are the drawings that are made and justified by geometry. To go more formally, you can write the proposition in which one has to draw geometrical figure and prove its validity is called construction. Parts of a construction. There are three parts in a construction, which are data, steps of a construction, and proof. Data is the informations which are given, already given. That is, the given facts are called data. Steps of a construction. Steps of a construction is the drawing which are to made to solve the problem or drawing. And proof. Proof is the justification of the construction by arguments. Example, here is a construction. This is a construction you will get in class 9 or class 10. In this construction, there is a proposition here. Construct a triangle with area of a triangular region equal to that of a quadrilateral region. That is, we are given a problem, and also we are given some condition. That is, we are given a quadrilateral region and we have to draw a triangle. So these types of problems are often called construction. If this is possible to draw, then it is finally considered as a construction. If some given problems are not possible to construct, then this is not called construction. Uh, Here, let ABCD be a quadrilateral region. We have to consider that something is given. This given thing is actually called data. And in drawing part, there is a part named drawing. We are given that join DB through C, draw CE parallel to DB, which intersects the side AB extended at E. These are the steps by which we can make this uh, problem solved. So, this drawing part is steps of construction. And proof. Proof is the arguments by which we can claim that, or we can justify our drawing. So I hope you have understood what construction uh, is actually in a sense. Now we are going to discuss about theorem. The proposition which is established for some geometrical statement by arguments is called a theorem. The parts of a theorem are as follows. General enunciation. This part describes the theorem in general. Particular enunciation. This part describes a theorem for a particular case referring to a particular diagram. This part enables a reader to follow the reasonings more easily. Construction. The additional drawings which are made to prove that the proposition is true is called construction. Proof. The proof is the heart of a theorem. The proof shows that the object proposed in a problem has been all accomplished, or that the property stated in the general enunciation is true. So, I think we can see an example to finding out this part. So you can see this example. In this example, here is the general enunciation written as the theorem, and then you can see a line named spatial nomination. Spatial nomination. In this spatial nomination, the phrase is similar with particular enunciation. Spatial nomination and particular enunciation are all the same. And then you can find another step where we have made some additional drawing to make this proof, and then you will have a step which is named as proof. A proof is the heart of the theorem. Proof means the steps and arguments which are made to show that the claim made in the theorem or made in the general enunciation is true. Corollary is a statement of the truth of which follows readily from an established proposition as an inference or deduction, which usually requires no further proof. That is, sometimes when we are going to prove some theorem, we will get some some other decisions that we can make readily from the proof of the theorem. We don't have to give some other proof or another established proof to justify this decision. These kind of decisions are called corollary. Symbols that are used in geometry. Here is addition sign. You can see the equal sign, and this sign is called greater than. This sign is called less than. This sign is called congruent to. This sign is called parallel to. This sign is angle. This sign is called is perpendicular to, and this is triangle sign. This is circle sign. This is therefore sign, and this sign is called before, because, or since. So here is the CW of today's class. You have to identify the statements whether they are right or wrong. If wrong, you have to make it correct. Please pause this slide and write down all the sentences, then do your CW. For homework, you have to write one theorem and one construction that you have already learnt in class 6. And also you have to identify the parts of the construction also of the theorem, and then after doing all these you have to rewrite the symbols that you have used in the proof and we have learned in this class. Thank you everybody. I hope this class was enjoyable. Good wishes for you. See you in the next class.